Previous video, I showed you how to log in or create an account, how to browse our preloaded templates in our library, and then how to reach the tool. So we are at the tool in which we have chosen a particular template. This is the template that has loaded. And in this video, I will show you how to upload, add your photos, and how to place your images onto the template that you have chosen for your design. So again, I will show you how to upload, import, and place your images on the pre-loaded design of your choice. For this particular video, I have chosen this design. Also, I'm just going to do a quick familiarize yourself with the tool, how it works. Now, because I have an account and have logged in before, I do not get this intro on my calendar that pops up. However, I'm sorry, on my screen, on my computer. Anytime that you need to familiarize yourself or go back and remind yourself, whatever it is, you can always click the intro button. This screen pops open. It tells you where the tools within the tool is located. So obviously to the left is the panel. That is where you will add text, add images, edit images, choose from your templates that you browsed earlier, how to change background within your template, how to add or edit clip art. The top panel is, of course, where you can copy and paste. So once you get 1 month designed, you can copy and paste that month in the remaining months. So it saves just a ton of time on designing. You can undo or duplicate. You can view. You can increase or decrease the view and what you're working in. Here is the preview button. So once you get your calendar designed the way you believe that you really want it to be printed, click that preview and you can flip through each month individually and verify that it is exactly what you want printed. Once you have made yourself familiar with the tool and the layout, the way it works, click Got It. It goes away. If in the beginning, after you log in, if that intro pops up, you can just skip if you don't want to go through that again. Okay, so I have chosen this template as our design. So I'm going to, first of all, let me point out that I can move this. I have to unlock it first, and then I can drag, move it, whatever. But I wanted to move it to show you the wording behind this. It says drag your photo here. If you remember the template before we clicked on it actually had an image back here. Now, if you don't want an image, you don't have to place one there. And also, if you do not add an image, drag your photo here, it will not print. You will have the gray, the silver, and the black. You'll have the colors, you'll have the text, whatever else you put in here. But if you choose not to add an image in this area that says drag your photo here, the drag your photo text will not print on your calendar. However, if you choose that you don't even like looking at that because it just kind of throws you off, you can click it and you'll see the blue line around. You have to unlock it. You can replace it or you can delete it. Either way. If you delete it, when you drag your image in, it will not pop into this allocated space. You will have to drag your image from corner to corner, such as this, to make it fit that square. However, if you do not delete it, then when you drag your image in, it should pop in for that allocated space. So let's close that. Let's go to our images. We're going to import images. Now I have images on here because I have an account already set up, so it remembers my images. However, you probably will not have any, so I'm going to show you how to add photos. Click on Add Photos. Go to the folder in which you have stored your photos. Click on a photo, click Upload. Your progression bar, that was pretty quick. We didn't even get to see our progression bar, but you'll have a progression bar, up at the top that shows when that is loading. Now, just a reminder, the format of the images that you try to upload must be in the format of a JPEG, a JPG, a PNG, a GIF, PDF, or an SVG. If your image is in a different format other than these specified here, they will not upload. So I'm going to, now whatever you upload, just as we did, will automatically come in with a check mark in the box. That means that when I click the import, it's only going to add this to my images. However, I'm going to choose 2 boxes just to show you what happens. So we should be bringing this one and this photo into our photos, and there they are. So obviously this logo doesn't fit my organization. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete that. I'm going to bring in my logo, and we can place it by dragging it with our mouse. Once this little square comes up, not the square here, but the square of my mouse, if you will, the pointer, click off of it, back on. We can drag it wherever we like. I'm just going to put it right here for now. I'm going to put it up a little higher. I'm going to put it right there for now, just for the time being. I'm going to use this as my background picture. And do you see how I drug that over and it popped right in to the allocated space already? If I had deleted that box that says drag your photo here, it would not have popped that in perfectly. Move this up. Also, let me point out, when you have a low resolution image, you will get a warning here. By all means, if I were actually doing this for an organization or my business, I would definitely make sure that I had 0 low resolution warnings. Whatever is uploaded here and whatever you see here is exactly what will print. So just double check and make sure that you don't get the low resolution warnings. I'm going to make that box go away. Now, I'm just going to pretend that we are an engineering organization that builds highways and bridges, and this is the image that I want to use to reflect what it is that we do quite well. This is, we're just going to say this is one of our best projects that we've ever done, and we want to share it with our customers. So, here is our logo. Obviously, this doesn't work for us, so we need to click on it. The blue box will highlight around it. You can delete it. And I want this to kind of be the focal point. So I may want to move this up later. I don't know. We'll see. But for time being, I don't like the black. So I will show you in upcoming videos how to change the background, how to change the text, the font, the color, the style, the whole 9 yards. But for this particular video, we're just going to stay with images. So we have uploaded our logo image, and we have uploaded our main image that we want to show, or we want this message sent across out to our customers. So that sums it up for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to change text, how to change the background, and to meet your color scheme of your brand, and maybe the lettering or the text also to meet your brand color scheme. So be sure and come back for those future videos.